Hello everyone, you are welcome to Greenwich Solar Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you the key differences between these two breakers. This is a Snyder 125 amps breaker and this is a Vivoca 250 amps MCCB. Alright, even though these two breakers look similar, they are designed for different purposes. Alright, number one thing you consider when choosing a breaker should be the current rating. Okay, the Snyder is rated 125 amps, while this Vivoca is rated 250 amps. So as you can see, this Vivoca has the capacity to carry higher current, twice than this. So when you are considering current carrying capacity, you should go for this, unless your system design is below 125 amps. That's when you go for the O. For higher current, you go for this Vivoca 250 amps FCCB breaker. All right, then the next thing you consider here should be your voltage rating. All right, this rather is designed for low voltage DC systems. All right, this is for 48 volt system, while this Vivoca can handle up to 1000 volts AC or DC. All right, so when you need higher voltage, you consider this Vivoca actually for industrial use or for large battery banks. You go for this. All right, then another aspect you should consider is the breaking capacity. All right, is the breaking capacity. The breaking, that's the maximum short circuit current a breaker can safely disconnect. You know, so that your breaker do not get burnt on the process of operation. It's very important to put that into consideration. As you can see, this Snyder has a breaking capacity of as you can see, it has a breaking capacity of 10k amps, by meaning 10,000 amps. All right, why this Vivoca has a breaking capacity of 20 k amps, meaning 20,000 amps. So as you can see, this one has a break capacity twice of this. You understand? All right, so next thing you consider or say you need to know is that this is an MCB breaker. MCB means miniature circuit breaker, which is meant for small to medium loads. Why this MCCB, it means Moulded Case Circuit Breaker, which is used for heavy duty breakers, majorly in industrial or high power systems. All right, as you can see, this is perfect for 48 volt system battery banks, for your solar charge controllers and smaller inverters. All right, why this Vivoca 250 MCCB is used for large inverters, big battery banks, AC mains, and industrial applications, as I already told you. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and like our videos so that you can always get notification in our next video.